Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to handle file using OS module. So for this we have to first import the module OS. I have created a video on OS module also in previous, so you can check on the playlist or in the Python tutorial for beginner where you will find the video. There are two videos. So in this video, first of all, we to handle files. First of all, we need to open them. To open a file, there are many modes to open a file, but there are five which are very popular or generally used modes are os dot o underscore next one is read only. After that only, just wait first. Sorry for the interruption, my mom was listening for the music. So after this we have to use yeah, it's truncate, and the last one is, so basically this one is used when we want to create a file if file doesn't exist. This is used only this condition, that condition for reading a file, writing a file, truncating the file to 0. The last one is for reading as well as writing. Okay, I think this much is enough for the numbers. So first of all, I'm going to show you in this video how to read a file. os.open. Okay. Uh, yeah. So first I'm dealing with this file which is quiz2.txt. So iz2.txt. Then what we need to do is I'm going to use this these are the modes which you can see. There are many modes, but we are going to use this read only, and or os.o underscore. It is better to use both read only or whatever operation you want to do with creates. If it doesn't have, the file doesn't exist, it will create the file. So what we need to do is here line equals to fo dot read. So how many characters do you want to read For example, if you want to read around 30 characters, then you can mention here I'm going to read the complete file. Then the file which we are going to get is in the binary format, so we need to decode it. So first of all, we need to do line equals to line dot decode, and that's it. And just print line, and that's it. And f4 dot close. So this will close the file. I will save it as file underscore os. Okay, and just sorry, voila, I just sorry for that. Just used os dot and f4. That's it. And copy 30. Yeah, it is normally different than normal file handling, so there is a mistake. That's it. So you can see it has given me the first 30 characters. If I mention here first 300 characters, then you can see it will give me the first 300 characters which are available. So that's it. But if you want to read or write a file at the same time, then we can use wr. And what we are going to do before after that, line equals to happy hello me. Okay, again, and line equals to line okay dot encode. So putting some data in the file using osmodule, we need to convert it into a binary format also. So os dot write, and we need to do f4 comma line. So what we need to do is, yeah, we are going to repeat these text, and I'm just going to, and I mention here 600, so it will print the complete. You can see that happy Halloween. The data which we have entered is came here, but I want to have some space before that. So yeah, that's it. You can see. So if you see the file now, it will look like this. Yeah, happy Halloween, and that's in the new line. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like my video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share it, then share it. And don't forget to give your valuable comments. So, and the new or details what you want to see in my channel. If you doesn't like, then give it a dislike, and thank you for watching.